What's up guys, welcome to my channel. I am back with another new video. Samsung has officially launched the Galaxy Watch 3 Titanium Edition which will go on sale in South Korea and other selected global markets from September 18, 2020. The smartwatch is essentially just the Galaxy Watch 3 with a new shell. It comes with a 45mm case but should provide a more lightweight fit and comes with a metallic link bracelet strap rather than a leather or silicone band. That's not all that is different this time around though, as the Galaxy Watch 3 Titanium comes pre-loaded with the Smart Caddy app. This is an immensely popular app for golfers with details of thousands of courses globally. For the hardcore golfer, a PXG branded version of this watch with embossed PXG Extreme Golf logo plus some added extras such as extra straps and preloaded watch faces will also be available in a limited 1000 units. For those wanting a refresh of the specifications, the Galaxy Watch 3 Titanium packs in a dual-core Exynos 9110 chipset clocked at 1.15 GHz, 1 GB of RAM, 8 GB of internal storage, a 430 mAh of battery, and the 360 by 360 pixel AMOLED display measures in at 1.4 inches. All of the existing under-the-hood features are present, including advanced health monitoring features including blood pressure and ECG monitoring, as well as other fitness and wellness capabilities including blood oxygen, SpO2 tracking, home training programs, and sleep management. The Galaxy Watch 3 Titanium Edition will be available in Mystic Black and is priced around $650 US. The limited PXG version will cost $840 US. Global availability may vary from region to region upon launch. According to a recent report by WA Beta Info, WhatsApp is working on introducing Telegram-like background customization for chats. While browsing the beta latest version, WA Beta Info developers found references to a new feature called wallpaper dimming. As the name suggests, this feature will allow users to change the opacity of the chat wallpapers. Apart from wallpaper dimming, the platform is working on introducing other features allowing users to choose a different wallpaper based on their system theme and chat. Moreover, users will be able to select a unique background for each conversation. WhatsApp is also working on a range of WhatsApp doodles for solid wallpapers. Users will have a range of different themed doodles to apply on a solid background. This feature is not new as far as instant messaging apps are concerned. Telegram rolled out similar feature last year, providing its users with tons of options to choose from. In addition to these new features, the beta update brings some new sticker packs. However, as compared to other instant messaging applications, WhatsApp stickers are quite jerky and unappealing. Note that all of these changes are currently in the development phase and we don't know when they will arrive to the stable build. So what do you guys think about this video? Let me know down in the comment section, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Till then, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel. Thank you.